Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today's lockdown special recipe is a creamy homemade chocolate ice cream for chocolate lovers. This homemade chocolate ice cream is made without condensed milk, milk powder, cream, sugar, egg or even milk. No Maida or cornflour either. And as you can see, the texture of the chocolate ice cream is creamy and thick, just like that of store-bought ice cream. I know it's hard to believe that this creamy ice cream does not even contain milk, sugar or cornflour. So let me again show you a close-up of the texture of the chocolate ice cream. So creamy and thick. A perfect homemade chocolate ice cream made with easily available ingredients at home. Kids and the whole family can enjoy this super creamy chocolate ice cream. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 500 grams of ripe banana. Note that the bananas should not be very ripe, it should be ripe but firm. Now slice the bananas into a container and keep it in the freezer, preferably 6 to 8 hours. The next day, or once the bananas are frozen, I'm soaking 15 cashew nuts for about 10 minutes. Instead of cashew nuts, you can also use soaked and peeled almonds. While the cashew nuts are soaking, I removed the frozen bananas from the freezer. And after 10 minutes, add the cashew nuts into a blender. Add in 1/3 cup water, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and blend this really well. So I am making cashew milk by blending this well. If you have cashew milk, almond milk or any plant-based milk of your choice, you can skip this process and proceed to the next step. Okay, now the cashew milk is ready. Now it is the cashew milk which is the secret ingredient that makes the ice cream super creamy. So do not skip using any plant-based milk of your choice. It can be either almond milk or even coconut milk. Any source of plant-based milk is a must in this recipe to help make the chocolate ice cream creamy and thick. Now into the cashew milk, add in 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Now if you have raw cacao powder, you can use it. Even though the bananas has some sweetness, because we are adding cocoa powder, we need to add little extra sweetener. So for natural sweetness, I'm adding in 4 dates. Make sure the dates are soft, and if the dates you are using is not soft, soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes before blending. Now blend all this really well. Once blended, add in the frozen bananas. Blend it for about 30 to 40 seconds. Then open the lid, scrape the sides and mix lightly with the spatula and again blend it for 30 seconds. Again stir with the spatula and blend again. Repeat this 2 to 3 times or until you get a soft, smooth consistency. Now to blend this, I am using my mixie jar which I use to grind rice for dosha and idli. You can find the link to my mixie jar in the description box below. Pour the ice cream mix into a tray and level the top. I'm sprinkling in some chopped cashew nuts. You can top it with chocolate chips if you prefer. Cover and freeze for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. And this is how the ice cream looks once frozen. See how creamy the ice cream is, and it has the texture of store-bought ice cream. And the best part is it is dairy-free and vegan. No sugar, condensed milk, eggs or cornflour. Just before serving, I sprinkled some chopped cashew nuts and some raw cacao nibs for added flavor and crunch. You can use your favorite toppings when you are serving. You can also serve each scoop in a cone, and I'm sure kids will really enjoy to have ice cream from a cone. But unfortunately, we are in lockdown, hence I could not get a cone. But yes, will definitely do once the lockdown is over. Let me show you the texture of the ice cream again. Hard to believe that there is no condensed milk or sugar or milk, right? Super healthy and tasty and guilt-free ice cream for the whole family. So guys, do try this chocolate ice cream. Don't forget to send me pictures on Facebook and Instagram. Also, comment below and let me know which is your favorite ice cream flavor. Don't forget to like and share this video with family and friends. Stay safe and together let's flatten the curve. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.